In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create partition on Windows 11 computer.
Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video.
To create partition, right click on Start menu, click on Disk Management. In Disk Management, here I have 3 disks, disk 0, disk 1 and disk 7. I am going to create a partition on disk 7 and it's unallocated right now. Right click on unallocated disk and then click on New Simple Volume. Welcome to the New Simple Volume wizard. Click on Next. Here the maximum disk space size and simple volume size by default. All unallocated space are assigned here. I'm going to create a single partition, so I can assign all unallocated space here. Now click on Next. Assign the following drive letter. By default F is selected. You can change drive letter from here. I am selecting G. Now click on Next. The file system type NTFS is selected and I am going to create the volume NTFS. And allocated unit size default is selected. You can change the allocated unit if you wish. I am changing to 4098 and this is the volume level. I am going to change the volume name from here, my data, and click on Next, then click on Finish. The partition has been created. Open File Explorer, click on this PC. The My Data Drive G partition has been created.
This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.